Hi guys, this is your girl Thelma, aka TS Voice Handwork Slice Incorporated. If you want to see how I transformed Olivia for her wedding, keep on watching. Remember to subscribe to my channel. Give this video a thumbs up if you find it interesting, and also leave your comment and concerns below, and I promise to get back to you. And you can also Facebook me on Thelma Y Say. Follow me on Instagram at TS Voice Handwork Slice Incorporated. Thank you and have a blessed day, and remember to always keep God first in everything you do. The hair was done by Chasetta Hair Work. You can also follow her on Facebook. We're now gonna jump into the tutorial. I did her bra off camera, so the bra is on. I am using the Wet n Wild Makeup Highlight to highlight her bra bone. After highlighting the bra bone, I'm going in with my Morphe 3502 palette with a little brown shade as my transition shade. After applying this shade, I'm going in with a darker brown. Actually, I used two dark brown to darken the crease. After I applied the darker shade, I went ahead and used a clean brush to blend out the both colors so that there is no harsh lines. I did blend out the colors into the highlight so that you won't see the harsh lines. After blending out those colors, I went in with a little black mixed with a brown into the crease, and I'm just blending and blending and blending. I went ahead and I used my tie shape tape to do a half cut. As you can see, I'm just cutting that crease because we are doing a glitter look. Guys, all the bridesmaids in this wedding was popping, so my bra had to pop too. As you can see, I'm just doing a half cut, and after cutting the crease, I went in with a cream champagne shade over the lid to set the concealer, and then went in with the glitter. I used my NYX glitter primer to apply the glitter, and after I used pink and silver glitter, mixed the two together. And after applying the glitter, I took a little bit of black to blend out the edges on the side, and then I went in with my Wet n Wild Mega Liner to line up her bra. After lining up adding up the liner, I did went ahead and clean up the bra using Elegant Pro Concealer in front, and I'm now using the Becca primer. I used the flawless primer first before going in with this new one that came out, and I'm just applying that. And I also added Elegant Pro Concealer in Peach to cover all the red marks on her face and dark spot. And then I went in with a little highlight, liquid highlight from Revolution, I think. I can't remember, but yeah, I'm just putting in the highlight and then lining the top part of her bra before blending in the highlight. Her bra top didn't really need much, but I'm addicted to it. So after blending, lining up the bra and cleaning up the top, I'm just gonna blend in the highlight under her skin. After applying the highlight on the skin, I went in with my nice foundation in the shade Cadiz, Cadiz, and I'm just blending that in, y'all. That foundation is lightweight and oil control, oil free. So as you can see, I'm just blending that in using my beauty blender to make it look flawless. And from there on, I'm gonna be using my Wet n Wild highlight concealer. I don't know the name, I guess that's what it's called, but it's a concealer, and I'm gonna use that to highlight her face. I'm just blending that concealer in, making sure that there is no harsh lines on her cheek and we don't have flashbacks. So you have to blend that very well, most especially this concealer. It gives flashback a lot if it's not properly blended. And I'm just going in with I used the powder to set the concealer first. Then I went in with my MAC Mineralized Skin Finishing Powder in Dark VPS to contour her face. And I also used the Laura Mercier setting powder over the powder on her face to set the concealer. And I'm just using my e.l.f. blush palette to bring the color back to her face. As you can see, you don't want to use too much, but just a little bit. And then I went back in with my MAC Mineralized Skin Finishing Powder in Dark to set the entire face. And I also used that mixed with the MAC Mineralized Skin Finishing Powder in Dark VPS, just the both of them, to kind of tone it down a little bit to contour her nose. And I'm also using my Wet n Wild highlighter. I love this highlight to just bring a little color back to, shine back to the face. As you can see, this is the finishing look. I went ahead and I sprayed her face, so she all set. We just getting her ready. Her hair was done by Chas Eto Hair Work. You can Facebook her at Chas Eto Hair Work on Facebook or follow her on Instagram. This is another beat that I did for one of the bridesmaids, and I did the beautiful maid of honor, and we are all just fighting right now to get the bride going because that limo is outside. She's all set for the wedding. We went ahead and added a little shine on her back and shoulder using Fenty, and she's all set. Thank you so much, Olivia, for trusting me on your day with your makeup. It was nice working with you. And this bride came back the next day, y'all. She came back for a bit to go on her honeymoon. Thank you so much, Olivia. Love you, love you, love you. It was nice working with you. Thank you so much. I wish you the best in your marriage. Stay blessed, y'all. Though I didn't know why, now I do. 'Cause God gave me you. God gave me you. That's just Eto, just doing the finishing touches on the hair because I ruined the hair a little bit. And this is another bridesmaid, beautiful bridesmaid that I did. You can contact me for all your bridal bead, occasion, barbecue, wedding, baby shower, photo shoot, and more. You can follow me on Facebook, Thelma YC, or follow me on Instagram at TS Voice Handwork Slice Incorporated. Thank you so much, and see you guys. I know I said bye before, but yeah. Thank you. Subscribe, subscribe, subscribe. I complained, you know how I love to complain for all the wrong